Wikipedia. Actually, let's say Simone Biles CC0 image. This will make sure that it's open source. So let's go to Getty Images. And this includes the credit in there, so that's great. So let's go to Save Image As. And then we'll go to Zero2Code, where we've been saving our websites. And let's create like a little bit more of a sensible name and say Simone.jpg. And then let's go to our Visual Studio Code and say maybe header Simone Files fan page. And then let's add a image tag where for this image tag, we need to